Welcome to the Checkout Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide a shipping rate based on customer's zip code, postal code, or province using the Next Reorder app. So this help you offer shipping option only in the area you serve. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, we can go to the app section. Here we can click on Next Reorder app. To open hide shipping method, we can select the shipping method, and here we can click on quick hide shipping method. So to configure the rule, we can give the rule name as hide express shipping method for zip. Okay, the rule status is activated. So here we can choose the shipping method. Here I'm choosing express shipping. So we can give the condition. So click on add condition, and here choose the shipping zip or postal code. Add the condition. Here give the postal code as this. Okay, before that we can go to the checkout and let's refresh and let's see if there is express shipping or not. Yeah, here it is. So for use it called can kill this. Okay, so here we can kill the zip code this. Okay, now there is express delivery we can see here. So now click on save and let's see if it is changed or not. Okay, now the rule has been created. Go to the checkout section and let refresh. Okay, here we can see no, there is no express delivery. So for this zip code that we given in our rule section, the express delivery will be hidden. So that's it. So you can see that the chosen shipping method is hidden for that location. So this help you control shipping option for specific delivery areas and provide a better checkout experience for your customer. So that's it. You have successfully hidden a shipping rate by zip code, postal code, or province using the Next Reorder app. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.